Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inga. It's good to have you back, to you newbies and to all of my subscribers. Thank you all. Welcome back. And today I'm going to give you this glam DIY look. So please subscribe to my channel and just hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos from me. So let's get into this. So this is a DIY that I will be doing for you today, and I will be using these flat mirrored octagon shaped glasses from Dollar Tree, and you can use these for mainly candle holders or any other project that you would want to do. And as you can see, I had this mirror lying around for another project, but it got damaged in the process. So instead of me throwing it away, I decided to just do something else with it. And like I said earlier, you can pick these up from your local dollar store. These are the octagon shape. Mainly people use them for candle holders, but like I said, you can do whatever you want to do with them. And this mirror here, as you can see, the edges are a bit damaged, and that's why I decided to do this project with it. So I've already placed most of the pieces on top of the mirrored glass, and what I'm going to do is just make sure everything is in alignment, is straight on both sides, the center, because as you can see, this is very tedious, and I just want to make sure everything is aligned properly and all straightened out. So that's why you see me going around and pressing down and making sure that everything is in its proper place. I am super excited to see the end result of this project. I think this mirror is going to look so bomb, and this mirror measures like 30 inches in width and 36 inches in length, if I am correct, but it's 30 by 36, so this is a huge mirror. So right now I will be finishing the last row of this mirror, the row that I showed you earlier, and I will be using the E6000 glue to complete this project. And with this project, it is highly important that you place the pieces onto the mirror first before you start applying the glue. I'm just gonna go over it one last time, making sure all of the pieces are in place before I start applying the glue. So a few of the pieces still had the stickers attached to them, and I could see them through the mirror, so I'm just gonna peel the back of them off real quick. Well, as you can see now, I'm applying the glue to these pieces, and I'm just applying a little bit of it in the middle area and giving it pressure onto the glass mirror. And as I go along, I'll be doing each one of them like this, making sure everything is properly aligned and everything is in its place. So I completed placing all of the pieces onto the mirror, but I just have a few pieces at the edge of the mirror to complete. So I'm gonna do that and finish this project up. As you can see, I'm highlighting this gorgeous diamond detailing. I just absolutely adore it, and this mirror is so glam. It's so dope. I just love this. So stay tuned. I'm gonna clean this mirror all up, and I'll have another video where I place the mirror. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it as yet, but stay tuned for that next video.